Hello guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Okay, in this tile you can tell it's that piece of kit that everybody forgets. Nobody thinks about this, and yet how many people today carry tourniquets? I'm not pointing out tourniquets. I think they're a very viable and necessary thing, especially with people handling around axes and stuff like that, and being able to stop the flow of blood. Absolutely, a tourniquet is an extremely useful item. But an item you're going to need a whole lot more that nobody carries is a pair of tweezers. Now this is just a small pair of really good tweezers. Okay? These can be worth their weight in gold when you've got that splinter and that crease. You've got whatever. I recently had in my thumb right there on the outside of it, in handling something or whatever, I got a little piece of fiberglass in me. And it was tiny. I mean, I had to get in really good sun with my glasses on to even see the dot. But everything I tried to grip, everything I touched, it was like you stabbed my hand with an ice pick. It was more than just an irritation. It was really a problem. And how am I going to dig that out with my left hand and with a pocket knife? A pair of tweezers makes a difference. We're out here and we're around thorns, briars, slivers of wood, etc. It makes sense to have the tool to make that as painless as possible. Because my gray man is a fantastic knife, but do I really want to try to dig that out of me with a gray man left-handed and backwards? I'll make a whole lot bigger wound. And I was thinking about it, to be honest. You know, it had driven me that insane in a matter of about 2 hours. And so therefore, having a pair of tweezers like this, nothing else stuck in the kit, leave it in the car if you're going to be close to your car, something like that. But these are not expensive, but they are the tool for the job. Just like that tourniquet is the tool for the job. I had a good friend of mine many years ago was going along and we were doing stuff, and he turned, and when he did, there was a broke off limb of hickory, and it hit him right there at the corner of the eye and stuck into him and left like a pencil lead piece of wood stuck right there, not in the eyeball itself, but between the skin and the skull right there. And I had to use the teeny tiny tweezers that are on my Swiss Army knife to try to get it out and get him to medical attention. All because of some little stupid little moment. A good pair of tweezers can really make a difference. Plus, there are other uses for this, you know. This thing's got a good 90-degree spine on the side of it right there. It'd be good for a shaver as well. Multitasking. Hope you like this content, guys. If you have, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.